All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir organized a function in commemoration of the Takbir Day in Islamabad today. Speakers praised at Pakistan's nuclear capability, stating that it had destroyed India's pride and arrogance by conducting 6 nuclear explosions in response to India's 5 nuclear explosions 26 years ago. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's attempt to justify the prolonged internet shutdown in occupied Kashmir as a governance strategy has sparked the widespread condemnation from critics who say it was a blatant violation of the human rights. In a recent media interview, Modi claimed that the shutdown, which lasted for over a year, was necessary to maintain peace and stability in the occupied territory. BJP installed Kashmiri authorities have attached properties of 2 more Kashmiri civilians from Baramulla district. Occupied authorities attached properties belonging to 2 civilians who are living in Pakistan. Indian troops arrested 2 youth in Islamabad district. The troops during a cordon and search operation arrested the youth in Malsu Seer area of the district. Kashmiri leaders across the board have strongly criticized the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's recent statement regarding the employment eligibility of the relatives of the people involved in freedom movement. Shah's comments have sparked significant backlash from various political figures in the region who argue that this policy is discriminatory and unjust. 3 people, including 2 women, were injured in a mysterious blast in Samba district. The injured include 2 women. Protest demonstration at the Jammu railway station halted a train travelling from New Delhi after 2 individuals sat on the tracks to express their frustration over train cancellations and poor communication about the schedules.